Okay, so we're doing another adventure lab. This is Isla. Hang on. This is Tarajalejo. Hi everyone. So yeah, I made a right mess of that. The place is actually called Tarajalejo, and we're going to have a little walk along the coastal front here, and then I'll walk back and just show you a little bit of the square. So I hope you enjoy it. We'll have a look at a couple of these sculptures. So as we are walking along here, you'll see the first sculpture, which is this sculpture of a... Can you guess what it is? Yeah, it's a seahorse. So this artwork is made by stones collected from the sea. It represents the ocean as a symbol and a reminder of the importance of the ecological balance of the earth. Okay, this one's called the Ventana al Infinito. From a window we observe the sea, plied by waves that symbolise the constant water flow, as if the ocean will never end. From the window the observer can contemplate the infinite and look at the place where waves and horizons meet. Now this one, everybody, is a granite sculpture of a mermaid. According to the legend, these mermaids have for thousands of years helped the Japanese Ama sea woman while collecting pearls on the coast of Shima. So this one, everyone, is a Core 10 steel sculpture representing a sailboat standing on 6 oars and with the sail shaped like an hourglass, similar to the volcano on the islands. The sculpture consists of 7 basalt stones that represent each of the Canary Islands. The stones are joined by elements emulating oars that emerge from the great vessel suspended in the air. The sails are in the shape of an hourglass, similar to the volcanic mountain. And now I'm going to take you on a super speedy walk back up the coastal front here and to the final sculpture. Okay, so we are now back almost where we started, and now we're checking out the fisherman. And you'll find this fisherman with his net, which just represents people that in one way or another help others to make their dreams come true. And there's the information board telling you about the sculptures. So we are just finishing off with a little short walk up this side street. I've showed you this little restaurant here, which was quite busy. Popular place, and it does get good reviews. So if you're visiting here, not a bad little place to come for a drink or some tapas. So I'll just take you for a walk around this side street up to where the spa shop is. So I hope you enjoyed this adventure lab. This was created by Holgi4711. So thank you very much, Holgi, for creating this. We really enjoyed doing it. It was quite fun. And always love seeing sculptures. So if you're wondering where this place is, it's situated between Gran Tarajal and Costa Calma. So if you're in the area, it's definitely a place that's worth a visit. So we're heading back up now to where the Euro Spa is, and that will end this video. So I hope you enjoyed it today. Please remember to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and there'll be plenty more coming up from the island of Fuerteventura. So thank you very much, and goodbye.